Alright, so we have a 1999 Dodge 3500 with the 5.9 gas engine. It has a lack of power complaint. It won't go over about 10 miles an hour once it warms up. So we nursed it back to the shop, and first thing we went for, we checked back pressure on the exhaust. So at idle, I have it set up in the front O2 hole. At idle you want no more than half a pound. This gauge can be a little tough to read at times, but you can see it's just a hair under a pound, so already we're a little bit over. But what we're going to do is we're going to get it up to 2 grand, and we're going to hold it at 2 grand. It should be no more than 2 psi at 2,000 RPM. So we'll get that set up and come back and check that. Alright, so we're at 2,000 RPM, and you can see it's 5.5 psi back pressure, so we got a clogged exhaust. What we're going to do is go behind the cat just to make sure it's not a muffler, but we can almost bet it's going to be a cat. So when we go behind the cat, if the reading is low, then we know the restriction is upstream of that. And if it's still high, then we know it's downstream of that.